Hi everyone, welcome back. I hope you guys are all doing well. So if you don't know me, it's Pranoti. I make makeup and YouTube videos. So you can begin with subscribe to this channel. So today's video will be of getting rid of all the frizziness and getting soft and smooth hairs. So let's get into the video. So starting off with, I have this two recommendation. This is completely on your preference what you want. The first one is oil replacement from Pantene. This is priced at 150. This also helps for all the hair issues. This oil replacement have a multiple benefits of natural without the inconvenience. It nourishes your hair, reduces hair fall and help to repair damage and act as a final touch, giving a soft and smooth hair. And second one, I have this oil Morocco from OGX. This one price at 725 and this says the exotic precious blend with Morocco oil helps to penetrate, moisturize and give and create softens and strength while perfecting your hair from harmful styling heat and UV rays. And this is also the best oil for frizzy hair. It gives soft and smooth looking finish. So this is the two recommendation you can use. For this video I am using this one, or argan of Morocco oil from OGX. This is how the product look like. So starting off with, first you have to wet your hair moderately. You have to wet your hair, not too much you have to wet. Take a coin size amount, this much product. You have to rub in your palm and apply towards end of your hair. This will really helps to get rid of frizzy hair. So you have to massage it very well so that the first step is done. First you have to apply this Morocco oil all over your tip area of your hair. After second step, you have to comb your hair. This will really make your work easy. The final step, I will be using Coriolis's straightening machine. I will be keeping in a temperature of 120. So starting off from here, generously I will be doing, you can see this hardly take 5 minutes. If you are running late and you want to get rid of frizziness, this is what you can do. This is usually I do every time when I'm running. After that you have to comb your hair. So this is the complete look. No frizziness. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and let me know what you do to get rid of your frizzy hair. I will know what you guys do. Thank you for watching this video. Bye. God bless you.